how to add college or high school university on Facebook profile. So if you want to add college, high school or university on your Facebook profile, then open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that three-barred icon, and then go with profile. Once you're on the profile, now tap on edit profile option. Once you tap on edit profile, scroll down and here you will have the education option, right? So go with edit under your details. Once you tap on edit, now here if you scroll down you will get the education option. So you can add your secondary school, your university or your qualifications. So simply tap on add university and here you need to enter your school or university name and then the concentration, and if you've graduated then simply tick on that, and then you can add the start date to the end date, and you will also have the privacy options. So you can simply choose public, friends, only me, or any of these options. So once you've entered all of the information, tap on save, which is on the bottom right. Once you tap on save, your college, high school or university will be added on your Facebook profile. So that's how you can add, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.